What's happened up at the dome, the top of the dome and the lantern, is we've encountered an awful lot of significant rot and wear on the existing trim. We've had to replace just about every piece of trim from the frieze, the fascia and frieze, all the way down to the copper panning below the black rails.
So basically what we're going to do is make the cap for this to make sure that these capitals that go on the pilasters are watertight. And the way we start is we take this is our starter drip edge, and we bend this around the cap in order to make sure we have something to crimp our lead-coated copper down to. So basically, it's a full bend. We 45 it so that our edge is nice and even and smooth and we don't have any kinks in it. What we're going to do is cut this a little long because this is arched around the post, but we have a small riglet that's cut into the post, which this will slide into and will seal up in order to keep it watertight. All right, so now that we have this laid out, we're going to mark where we need to lip up here. So we'll mark this a little long so that we can die into the column. Actually, I think I'm going to mark it back here. All right. Now we'll take our crimpers and we'll bend this to create our pan. This back together.
Dry fit it.
Dry fit it, see how it works. Okay, so I'm crimping this to make it connect to our starter. And that's on there nice and tight. And Andrew's filling that whole thing with caulking. That is a nice fit. And there you have it. Now we'll seal around the top of this so that no water can penetrate any of these openings. And we'll fasten it here and here. Now this is one solid unit that's not going to go anywhere. And that's pretty much the process for all the tops of these pilasters. We have 16 of them total.